السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you everyone? Today we will complete Unit 2 for Mega Goal 1 Careers. Our lesson today is grammar. Today we will differentiate between present perfect progressive and present perfect simple. And we also use adjective plus preposition plus gerund. At first, what about present perfect progressive versus present perfect simple? We use the present perfect progressive to say how long something has been happening, to focus on the duration of time. But we use the present perfect simple to say how many things have been done or how many times something has been done. There are some examples of present perfect progressive. The first example is Hanan has been reading a book for 2 hours. Pay attention to the keyword here for 2 hours. In this sentence, we stress on the duration of time. So we use the present perfect progressive. What is the form of present perfect progressive? It has been reading, has been plus verb plus ing. Why we use has? Because the subject is singular. Has is for singular, he, she, it. The next example, how long have you been reading that book? This is a question with how long. So we use present perfect progressive. Have been plus verb plus ing. And take care of have. We use have when the subject is plural, you, they, we. Saeed has been playing football since he was 10. Pay attention to the keyword here, since. Very good. Where is the verb? Excellent. Has been playing. Present perfect progressive. The last example, how long have you been playing football? Here we ask by the question word how long. So we must use present perfect progressive, have been playing. Present perfect simple. She has read 30 pages. Here we focus on the number, not the time. So we use present perfect simple. What is the form of present perfect simple? Excellent. Have or has plus past participle. Past participle. Okay, so we use has read. We use has because the subject is she. How many pages have you read? Here we use how many, so we focus on the number and we use have you read. Have plus past participle. He has played for 3 different teams. Where is the verb here? Excellent. Has played. Because we focus on the number, it's present perfect simple. How many teams have you played for? How many? So we must use present perfect simple, have played, have plus past participle. Now, what about adjective plus preposition plus gerund? I'm good at using computer. Good is adjective. It's followed by the preposition at. Good at. And then the verb should be gerund. Verb plus ing. I'm interested in working outdoors. Interested is the adjective. And the preposition is in. So we should use interested in. Interested in. Plus gerund. Gerund is verb plus ing. I'm not very good at speaking in public. Good plus preposition at plus gerund. I'm not interested in working in the computer industry. Interested is followed by the preposition in. And we use work or works or working. Excellent. We use gerund, working. Now, are you ready to answer the following exercise? Choose the correct verb form. I have been looking for or have looked for a job for 3 months, and I still haven't found or haven't been finding one. Take care of the first sentence. Here we focus on the duration of time. Here there is a key word for. So we use present perfect progressive. Excellent. Have been looking for. But the second sentence, we focus on the numbers. So we use present perfect. Haven't found. Haven't found. Have plus past participle. Now, the next one. My father has worked or has been working at many different jobs during his career. Many different jobs. Here we focus on number. So we use present perfect. Excellent. Has worked. Number 3. Adnan has made or has been writing books for years. For. So we use present perfect progressive, has been plus ing. But he hasn't received or hasn't been receiving an award yet. Excellent. Present perfect. Hasn't received. Number 4. How many pages of that book have you read or have you been reading? How many? Excellent. So we use present perfect. Have you read? The next exercise. Write answers to the following questions about your study of English. Number 1. How long have you been studying English? Take care here. The question is how long. So we must use present perfect progressive. I have been studying English for 6 years. Number 2. How many English teachers have you had? How many? The focus on the number, so we use present perfect. Have or has plus past participle. I have had 3 teachers. Number 3. How many books have you used? How many? So we use have used. I have used 6 books. Number 4. How long have you been using this book? How long? So we use what tense. Excellent. Present perfect progressive. I have been using this book for 3 weeks. Have been plus verb plus ing. The next exercise, we will make sentences follow the example. Hakim, photography studio, 1 year, taking pictures, photographer. So we say Hakim has been working at a photography studio for a year. He is good at taking pictures and he is interested in becoming a photographer. So we use present perfect progressive and we use adjective plus preposition plus gerund, good at, and interested in plus gerund. Now, let's make sentence about the Faiz. Faiz, restaurant, 6 months, big things and chef. Faiz has been working in a restaurant for 6 months. He is good at baking things and he is interested in becoming a chef. رفعة. Rif'a has been working in a nursing home for 2 years. So we use has been plus ing. She is good at helping old ladies and she is interested in becoming a nurse. Good at and interested in. What about Yahya? Yahya has been working for a newspaper for a while. He is good at interviewing people and he is interested in becoming a reporter. Do you get it? Is it clear? Okay. Goodbye, my ladies.